Okay guys, this is about as iffy and likely unsuccessful as you can get. I find myself in Lockport, New York, Western New York. This is the Erie Canal. I'm here for a friend's bachelor party. Festivities haven't really gotten underway yet. So I just did a quick search online, picked a random park next to the Erie Canal. I don't know what kind of fish are in here. I don't know if there are fish in here. The water doesn't look too promising, not too much. We got some overhanging branches over there. I see a lay down on the other side of the creek over there, or canal. But yeah, so I'm not even gonna have the chesty on. I'm just gonna film myself a little bit. I only have about 45 minutes, but we'll see. I've got an inline spinner, relatively big one on here, 12-pound test. Got my medium 6.6 rod and reel, cheap Shimano combo. Let's get fishing. Okay, so we've gone from a completely unsuccessful morning at the Erie Canal to what will probably be just as unsuccessful at beautiful Lake Ontario. This is Lake Ontario. I don't know what I'm doing, but I have my big 9-foot-long Abu Garcia bruiser with a Cast King 3000 Sharky 3 spinning rod. This is a high-low rig. I guess there's trout in here, I don't know, so I rigged up some power bait because I don't have any live bait, although I might go searching for it. I also had to take all of my bullet weights because I forgot my big like 2-ounce and 4-ounce weights for casting, but it seems to be casting just fine. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm thinking maybe trout are in season, so if we catch them, maybe we can even eat them, but let's just see what happens. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. You're probably not even gonna see this unless I catch a fish, so you can look forward to it. And there's some guys. Lake Ontario, Wilson, New York, fishing pier. It's my last morning here. I've been trying to fish wherever I had the opportunity. And I want to note that I was not here to fish.